Hello classmate, my name is Ranja RAMANANIHANITRA. I came from Madagascar. For this reason why I have such a long name. I live in the city called Antananarivo. I would like to share with you today 4 things that I really like. First is my family. I love my family, my husband, after, and my 3 children, Tienkom and Joshua. They are my twin boys, and my little girl, Ashley. Second, I love the Savior. He is my Savior, my Redeemer. I love him because he's everything for me. He is the reason why I have my family and why I'm a member of the church, why I do have my friends, and everything that I have is because of him and his love for me. And third is I love my computer and my cell phone because they help me to keep in touch with people I love and help me to perform well in my study and my work. And I love it also because it makes things a little bit easier for me. And the last thing is I love my work. Actually, I work in the Department of Human Resources in the Ministry of Agriculture and Livestock here in my country. I love it because it gives me the opportunity to serve people and helps me as well to see and have the privilege to see people grow and reach their goal or their dream. And I'm very excited to do this semester with you guys and get new experiences and learn and get much more acquainted than each and every one of you. So I wish you all the best of luck. Bye.